Welcome back to another video from Insectech's Android Application Penetration Testing course. In this video we're going to have a very quick introduction to Android Forensics. So before getting into Android Forensics, let's understand what mobile forensics is. Mobile forensics is a branch of digital forensics which is related to recovery of digital evidence or data from a mobile device under forensically sound conditions. So when I say forensically sound conditions, the techniques, the tools, or whatever the methodology that we use should actually be acceptable by the courts and law. So whatever the techniques that we are going to use to perform forensics of mobile devices, should not alter the data, should not destroy the evidence, or things like that. So whatever the techniques that we use should be acceptable in the court. Right. So data acquisition methods are of three types: manual, logical, and physical. Sometimes we also include something called file system acquisition. Right. So in manual acquisition, we simply scroll through the entire device and we actually take screenshots or videos of the device. In logical acquisition, we extract only active data. So we do not get deleted data when we perform logical acquisition on a mobile device. And when we do physical acquisition, we actually take the complete bit by bit image of the entire device. So in this case, we actually get the deleted data as well. Okay, so the next type is file system acquisition, within which we actually get both logical as well as physical up to some extent. Deleted data up to some extent, right? So this is the potential evidence that is stored in mobile devices. It could be Android, or it could be iOS, it could be Windows, it could be BlackBerry, or it could be any other device for the matter. So this is the potential evidence that any examiner looks for. SMS, call logs, contacts, images, videos, emails, browser history, social networking, maps, deleted data, etc. So when we are performing mobile forensics, especially Android forensics, there are many tools that are available to extract all this information from your device, like Oxygen Forensics, MobileEdit, and a couple of other tools are available. But in this video, I'm not gonna show any tools to extract this particular information. Rather, I'm gonna use something called ADB. You already know what ADB is. So we're gonna use ADB to see SMS, call logs, contacts, and if possible, a couple of other sensitive information from the device. Right. So let's proceed. So the first step is to get a shell on the device, and make sure you're just going to data, give a quick ls. As you can see, there are a couple of interesting packages, and this is one interesting package that we can have a look at: com.android.providers user dictionary. Give a quick ls, cd databases ls, and if you observe this, there is a file called user_dict.db. This file actually holds the user the words that are actually saved by the user. So it acts as a user dictionary. When you're typing something in your device, it actually shows hey, are you looking for this particular word? Yes. If yes, you actually select it. So when you're typing some SMS, or when you're doing something similar to that, your device actually suggests some words. So all these words are actually stored in this particular user_dict.db. So when you are performing any forensic investigation, and if you got a mobile device, you can actually have a look at this particular file, because you can actually see what the suspect is actually frequently using, right? Because whatever the words that we save will actually be kept here. So let's open up a new tab and let's extract this particular file. Let's copy this onto the device. adb pull databases user underscore dict.db. Hit enter, and if you give a quick ls, this is the file we have. I'm not sure whether we find anything interesting in this video because this is a emulator. I haven't used it extensively, but still let's hope for the best. There is a table called words, so let's have a quick look at select star from words. Oops, we do not have anything because I haven't saved anything, seems like. Right, so similarly, just in case if it is a real device, you will actually get a lot of words from this particular user underscore dict. But let's find out another package. Let's say this one, com.android.providers.telephony. cd space, hit enter, give a quick ls, databases, give a quick ls again. As you can see, we have mms_sms.db, which we have already seen in one of our previous videos, right? So this time what I'm going to do is, let me open up this application, and first let me pull this out, mms_sms.db. onto my local device. adb pull, hit enter. Now you can actually see the content using SQLite 3 mms_sms.db dot tables select star from SMS. As you can see, we have the same SMS hi. Now what I'm gonna do is, let me delete this particular SMS. Fantastic. Now let me also delete the file I have here. Fantastic. Now as you can see, we do not have mms_sms.db here. Now what I'm gonna do is extract this, pull this file again. Great. Now if you give a quick ls, as you can see, we have mms_sms.db SQLite 3 tables select star from SMS. If you observe, we do not have the SMS that we have had earlier because we have deleted this, right? So everything has actually worked as expected. So in the next video, what I'm going to show is how you can actually recover whatever the SMS that we have deleted, right? So recovery of deleted data from SQLite databases. So we are going to see that in the next video, but before going ahead and doing that, I would recommend you to go through the important locations. Maybe you can Google or you can do whatever you want. You can find out all the important locations on an Android device, like where SMS are stored, where contacts are stored, and where is browser history stored, and all these things. So once after finding out all of that, we can actually use the next video to recover if anything is deleted from the database. Right, so that's all I have in mind for this video. Thanks for watching it. Thanks a lot.